Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A20s, and now I'm gonna show you how to announce caller ID on this device. So to do it, just open the phone application, then click on the right top corner. In the right top corner you will see 3 dots, so click on this button and open settings. Then here you will see answering and ending calls, and here you will see the read caller names aloud. So enable it, and now click on this button, so not on the Tumblr but on the text read caller names aloud, and here choose one of 2 options. So you can read caller ID aloud only when you're using headset or Bluetooth devices, or always. So for example, I don't want to somebody here who calls me. I just want to me know who calls me. So when I ride in a bike, for example, and my smartphone is on my backpack, and I want to hear who calls me right now, so this feature is really helpful. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.